Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7 Refresher Course Module English. Worksheet 15 Conjunctions. Dear children, today we are going to solve conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions already you know, that is connecting word or two sentences or two thing connect பண்றது தான் conjunctions. Conjunctions are connective or glue words used to connect words, phrases or clauses. There are three types of conjunctions. They are subordinative conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. That three types இருக்குது. அது என்னெல்லாம் subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and correlating conjunctions. Shall we deal? First, subordinating conjunctions, அதாவது linking. Links a dependent clause to an independent clause. அதாவது dependentையும் independentையும் connection பண்ணுறது subordinating conjunctions. For example, although, after, as, because, as, if, as if, so that, unless, until, etc. For example, my father believes that I will become a writer. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி words வரும்போது that is called as subordinating conjunctions. Next one, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join together words or word groups of equal grammatical rank. அது ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கிறத ஜாயின் பண்ணுறது coordinating conjunction. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, it, so. For example, I work quickly and carefully. Okay, and அது quicklyயும் carefully ரெண்டு சமமாக இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதனால we use and but so எல்லாமே. Correlating conjunctions work in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. So within a sentence equal importance join பண்ணுறது correlating conjunction. For example, either or, neither nor, as, rather than, both and அந்த மாதிரி. For example, she is both beautiful and intelligent. சரியா? அப்போ either or, neither nor, as, rather than, both and அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, now we'll do a small activity, children. Here there is a column. Now you can write whether it is coordinating conjunction or subordinating conjunction or correlating conjunctions. Although, here there is a puzzle. We have to find out the conjunctions. Okay, so many conjunctions are there, but I have done 10 for you. I am doing a few for you. Remaining you can do it. Okay, so and, before, because, so, but, therefore, meanwhile, though, furthermore, though. So all these things I have marked. Remaining you can do it yourself. Children, we'll move on to the next one. That is, spot the errors and say the correct word for the sentences. Okay, here some sentences are there, but it's having some errors. Let us find out that. Anbu has to wake up early, but he can climb the mountain. So idhil edo idikudhu illaya. So how we can write better? Anbu can climb the mountain, so he has to wake up early. Second one, Mahi ate a lot and she is hungry. Appo the and is not suiting well. Mahi ate a lot because she is hungry. Next one, Ravi is tall, so thin. So the so is not suiting well. Ravi is tall and thin. Next one, Anand went to the mall, nor he could shop. So nor is not the right word over here. Anand went to the mall or he could shop. Next one, Hema loves to cook if she needs a new stove. So if is the wrong part. Hema loves to cook, but she needs a new stove. Next one, Narayan loves to play baseball or he is good at it. So Narayan loves to play baseball because he is good at it. Next one, the music was loud so fast. So is not the right one. The music was loud and fast. Ravi likes to play classical music but contemporary music. Ravi likes to play classical music and contemporary music. Next one, please put both the milk as the eggs in the refrigerator. So the answer is, please put both the milk and the eggs in the refrigerator. Next one, the car had orange for blue stripes. So the answer is, the car had orange instead of blue stripes. Fine, children. Okay, moving on to the assessment part. Identify and circle the conjunctions in the following. So conjunctions, you know, the connecting words, so you have to underline that. A, it will either be cloudy or sunny today. So which is connecting? Or. So or is the conjunction. Second one, please hand me the pink book and the blue book. So which one is the conjunction? And is connecting. C, would you rather have a milkshake or an ice cream cone? So which is the conjunction? Or. Okay, fine, children. Moving on to the next one. D, Radha was poor but she was generous. So which is the conjunction word? But. Next one. E, I will phone you when I arrive. So which is the conjunction? When. I will phone you. When is the conjunction. Moving on to second question. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the choices given. A, put the cheese in the tin dash, cover it with lid. So your options are and, but, so. So what is the answer? Put the cheese in the tin and cover it with the lid. Okay. Second one, Mickey Mouse is very sweet dash, very naughty. Sweet இருக்குது ஆனால். So your options are because, or, but. So but very naughty. Okay. Mickey Mouse is very sweet but very naughty. C, Varun ate more sweets dash, he likes them very much. So வருணுக்கு நல்லா பிடிச்சிருக்குது ஏனென்றால் வரணும். ஓகே. So the options are because, so, nor. So ஏனென்றால்னா என்ன? Because Varun ate more sweets because he likes them very much. Next one, D, spider web is so strong dash, they seem delicate. Okay. So spider web strong தான் இருக்குது dash, they seem delicate. Delicate இருக்கிறது மாதிரி இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி. So your options are because, although, and. So the answer is although. Spider web is so strong, although they seem delicate. E, my car is old dash, it looks good. My car is old, and the options are so or but. My car is old but it looks good. Okay. என்னோட கார் மாதிரி இருக்குது. Okay. Third question, children. Complete the sentence with correct conjunction. Barney can dash read dash write Hindi. So Barney can neither read nor write Hindi. Okay. Read பண்ணவும் தெரியாது, எழுதவும் தெரியல. So Barney can neither read nor write Hindi. Next one. B, I'm hungry dash, the fridge is empty. I'm hungry, பசிக்குதே ஆனால் fridge empty இருக்குதே. Okay. I'm hungry but the fridge is empty. C, dash, it is raining, they are swimming in the pool. So மழை வருது ஆனாலும் ஸ்விம்மிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. Although it is raining, they are swimming in the pool. D, I will go shopping dash, I will go camping. So I will go shopping and I will go camping. Shoppingum போவேன், campingum போவேன். E, Saran dash Sarah are sisters. Saran and Sarah are sisters. Fine. Moving on to fourth question, children. Combine the sentences with suitable conjunctions. So you have to combine two sentences. Double sentence இருக்குது. You have to combine them using some connectors. A, Ashok ran fast. He could not catch the flight. So how will you connect these two? Though Ashok ran fast, he could not catch the flight. அதாவது அசோக் ஓடினான் ஆனாலும் ஃப்ளைட் கேட்ச் பண்ண முடியல. ஓகே. தோ அசோக் ரன் ஃபாஸ்ட், ஹீ குட் நாட் கேட்ச் த ஃப்ளைட். பி, ஐ நோ யூ ஆர் அ பிரேவ் பாய். ஓகே. எனக்கு தெரியும் நீ நல்ல ஸ்மார்ட் பாய். ஓகே. ஐ நோ தட் யூ ஆர் அ பிரேவ் பாய். சி, திவிஷா cannot go to work. She is sick. திவிஷாக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியல பிகாஸ் ஷீ இஸ் சிக். ஸோ ஹவ் யூ ரைட்? திவிஷா கேன் நாட் கோ டு ஒர்க் பிகாஸ் ஷீ இஸ் சிக். உடம்பு சரியில்லை. டி, ஜெய் இஸ் அன் ஆனஸ்ட் மேன். வி ஆல் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் ஹிம். ஸோ ஜெய் வந்து நம்ம நேர்மையான ஆள். ஸோ அவருக்கு மேலே நல்ல மதிப்பு மரியாதை இருக்குது. ஜெய் இஸ் அன் ஆனஸ்ட் மேன், ஸோ வி ஆல் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் ஹிம். E. Sophia gives full attention to her studies. She will succeed. Sophia gives full attention to her studies, so she will succeed. Okay, நல்லா படிக்கிறா அதனால டெஃபினிட்டா so she will surely succeed. Fifth one, children, make the story meaningful using suitable conjunctions. So conjunction use பண்ணி the story you have to make it meaningful. Shall we start? Okay. Once there lived a greedy man in a small town. He was very rich. Dash, he loved gold. He was very rich and he loved gold. Dash, all things fancy. And all things fancy. Dash, he loved his daughter more than anything. And he loved his daughter more than anything. One day, he had a chance to help a fairy. The fairy's hair was caught in a few tree branches. He helped her out, and his greediness took over. He realized dash he had an opportunity. So he realized that he had an opportunity to become richer by asking for a wish in return. By helping her out, the fairy granted him a wish. He said, all that I touch should turn to gold. Okay, தொடர்தெல்லாம் தங்கமாயிடணும். Dash, his wish was granted by the grateful fairy. So அவன் தொடர்தெல்லாம் தங்கமாகணும்னு சொன்ன உடனே fairy also told, okay, நீ நினச்சதெல்லாம் நடக்கட்டும், நீ தொடர்றது எல்லாமே கோல்ட் ஆகட்டும். The greedy man rushed home to tell his wife and daughter about his wish. Okay, tell his wife and daughter. All the while touching stones and pebbles and watching them convert into gold. Once he got home, his daughter rushed to greet him. Okay, dash, he bent down to scoop her. As soon as he bent down to scoop her, up in his arms, she turned into a gold statue. He was devastated. Devastatedனா அப்படியே கலங்கிட்டாங்களாமா. ஓகே, ரொம்ப disappointment. Dash started crying and started crying. Dash trying to bring his daughter back to life and trying to bring his daughter back to life. He realized his folly. Dash spent the rest of his days searching for the fairy to take away his wish. ஸோ அந்த நாள்லேருந்து அந்த ஃபேரியை தேடி தேடி அலையிறாங்களாமா. ஓகே, எனக்கு இந்த விஷ் வேணாம் சொல்லமே, எனக்கு நார்மலாக இருந்தால் போதும், கோல்டும் வேணாம், ஒன்றும் வேணாம், லைக் தட். ஓகே, ஸோ foolishness realize பண்ணாங்க. He realized his folly and spent the rest of his days searching for the fairy to take away his wish. Understood, children? So do not copy the answers just like that. You can understand it and write. Do not miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading, assessment, bridge course and other thing. Thank you, children.